Friends, a strange UFO sighting and a humanoid encounter would take place in the lush countryside of Kuzak Plateau in a small village that was situated on a hill 20 kilometers south of Saint Flour in France. We would like to request you to kindly subscribe to our channel. Feel free to press the bell icon, comment, and share this video. Thanks a lot. In a green meadow beside Route D57, a brother and sister, Francis and Anne Marie, were spending the day watching over the 10 or so cows that were owned by the family. They also had with them their little dog named Milor. As the two children sat on the grass, they noticed that the cows were heading across the field to where the wall was low so that they could possibly get over it. As Francis rose to his feet to head over to intercept them, he noticed that there was something unusual behind them, beyond the hill on the other side of the road. At first, he thought that it were a few small children who were playing about 40 meters away. Francis then raised himself by climbing up onto some nearby stones to get a better look. At first, he thought it was local children who maybe had come to play with him and his sister. But he did not recognize them. He called Anne Marie, and she did not recognize them either. As the children looked closer, they made out a strange large object that was near to the small beings. They would both say that it was a large and bright, sphere shaped object that was also obscured slightly by the hedges. According to the kids, the object was very bright to look at. And as per Marie, the object had 3 to 4 legs and they disappeared when the object rose off the ground. There were 4 small beings near the object who were small but of varying size. They were doing something. One was bending down and checking the soil, and one other being was holding a mirror like object reflecting the sun towards the ground. Looking at the beings, Francis shouted out to them that were they there to play with them. On hearing this, the beings jumped with fright and began to rush back to the shining spherical object. To the children's shock, one of the beings who was closest to the object levitated at speed and flew up into the air, turned upside down, and entered through the top of the object. The second and the third beings also did the same. By this time, the object was spinning and had risen to around 50 feet. When the fourth and the last being also levitated and entered the craft from the top, the children could hear a whistling sound from the object, and it became more and more brighter, rose farther up, and flew off at immense speed. The kids noticed that there was strong smell of sulfur, and their dog was barking and was all excited. The children gathered the cows and went home and told this experience to the family. And when investigators arrived, they said that the object was about 2 meters in diameter. There were no doors or opening in the craft, or it may be hidden because the object was very bright. The beings were completely black in color and were only a meter tall. The arms were thin and long, and so were their legs, whereas their heads, chin, and noses were pointed. Francis said that his eyes used to water for a while after the incident. The other thing similar in UFO sightings was the smell of sulfur. The investigators and ufologists studying the case said that the account of the kids never changed and the kids looked honest and unfaltering. This case of 4 little devils, which happened on 29th of August 1967, would be one that would intrigue the UFO community for many years to come. That's all for this episode. We shall meet you again with another encounter. Till then, have a great day.